Web applications and APIs. Open a browser and type google.com in the address bar. What you type, google.com, is a URL or Uniform Resource Locator. This URL is a combination of the web page domain and a path that tells the server which data you want to retrieve from the server. Behind the scenes, a server application is processing your request to send you a web page. A server application is a program that runs on a server to be accessed via a computer network like the Internet. Most websites you visit are web applications that return HTML, JavaScript, and CSS for your browser to interpret. But some applications are not meant for human access like web pages. They are meant for other programs to access. When data is requested from these web apps, the data returned is meant to be read by a machine for further processing. Whenever you look at a page on the Internet, like google.com, your browser is making a request to the server and getting content from the server, which will return HTML, data that the web browser interprets to show you a web page. When an application defines an interface for other programs to access, it's called an API, or Application Programming Interface. Applications can also receive data, such as when you type data into the search box and hit return. Searching for Groundhog Day API, your first result might be groundhogday.com API, so let's take a look. Here, we see this API provides different ways to get data about groundhogs. If we click on the groundhog's endpoint, we get a list of all groundhog data. But the data format that groundhogday.com returns isn't something that GameSalad can understand. We'll need to translate the data the API provides into the format GameSalad understands, our tables format. To do that, we've set up a Transforming Proxy API, a service that accesses groundhogday.com on behalf of our GameSalad game, a proxy, and translates the data from the original format to one we can use. We set up a web app on glitch.me